Hello everyone, today we are here to review this guest paper of Vinod Publications. Its name is Curriculum and Understanding the Disciplines. It's a fully solved guest paper. It's a B.Ed Punjab Semester 2 guest paper, Punjab University of Punjabi Medium. So let's check out and review this guest paper, Curriculum and Understanding the Disciplines. Bestseller guest paper of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. It has 100% sure success rate and it's as per the new syllabus. So let's check out and review this guest paper. First of all, syllabus is mentioned unit wise. Unit 1, conceptual framework of curriculum concept and importance, principles of curriculum construction, types of curriculum. Then unit 2, approaches to curriculum development, subject centered. Then role of teacher in curriculum development, curriculum visualized at different levels, state, national and local. Unit 3, structure of disciplines, discipline, meaning, type, importance, core ideas of developing discipline. Then meaning of interdiscipline approach to education and effects on school subjects. Then unit 4, analyzing relationship between school subjects, nature, importance and historical perspective of science, social science, mathematics, languages. Then correlation among different school subjects, science, social science, mathematics and effects on curriculum framework. Then change in school subjects in terms of social, political and intellectual context. And for all the 4 units syllabus are given, and then the matter is explained. You can check from the unit 1, from very important questions. Everything is properly explained in detail. Not only that, the topics are highlighted, the questions are topics are highlighted and the questions are given in both English language as well as a Punjabi language to make it comfortable both kind of readers. The topics are very well explained in detail, and each questions covers so many pages. You can see points are covered in detail and in English and Punjabi language, so that even the English readers can also easily get the thing and easily read it. And in the back side of the book, B.Ed textbooks semester 2 and B.Ed guest paper semester 2 books are given, and 5-in-1 B.Ed guide semester 2 of Punjab University is also given of semester 2. And also these books are available in semester 1, 2, 3, 4 semesters in Punjabi, Hindi and English medium. These PU books, you can check them out of B.Ed. Now price of this guest paper is just rupees 99 rupees only. It's a very less and reasonable and very less price, because the guest paper cover so many things in detail, and very important questions are also marked. So 99 rupees is just very reasonable, very less price for this guest paper. It's available on Flipkart, on Amazon you can buy it, or you can call them directly at 9218-219218, and the guest paper will be delivered to your location within just 3-4 days only. You can also buy it offline from any available bookstore nearby your location, whichever has B.Ed books and guest papers within just 99 rupees only. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other books of Vinod Publications. You can go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books. You can also email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com if you have any query, and if you have any complaint regarding any book of Vinod Publications or this book or this guest paper or any guest paper, you can go to their helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. So 99 is just the price of this guest paper. Buy it on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218-219218 or buy it offline from any available bookstore nearby your location of B.Ed books. It's your choice. So 99 rupees for curriculum and understanding the discipline, Punjab B.Ed semester 2 guest paper, bestseller of Vinod Publications, with the most trusted publishing firm of India of Punjabi medium guest paper. I think you should definitely buy this guest paper. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much.